just so you can kind of see what kind of a mess he makes throughout the week. So I have to do a big clean on the weekends. Last panel, 2 hours later. I'm doing a little video today on cleaning Buster's area and Earl's, and I wanted to take the opportunity to show this is the cage I reviewed that I'm currently using as a play stand for Earl sometimes. And this, I'll pick out some new toys in Buster's little box, ones that he hasn't had the opportunity to play with yet. And then I hang that in his cage. Oh, I like that. And on days that he's in, you know, in the mornings when he's having playtime in his cage, he'll have different things to choose through. I need to get more blocks in there, and then I'll hang it back up in his cage. And then The other ones that I washed, once they're dry, they'll just go back into the toy bin, and he'll get those at another time. I'm going to put together a video next week of what I do a big clean once a week. But I want to show the after, and I have a couple more things to hang, but Buster's swing, his favorite little swing's nice and clean. I don't clean that every week, but I do clean it often, unless it needs wiped off. I do, but I took it down, took it outside, swept and mopped behind his cage, put him some new toys there to tear up behind his cage, cleaned his bucket of toys out, so he's good to go. I also got Earl's, which my birds don't really spend a lot of time in their cage, but they do in the morning time. They have like some cage time mostly then. But I thought I'd show you. So tomorrow my focus is going to be the paneling needs wiped down, like mopped down, and these darkening shades, which is cardboard, needs replaced. And I have matching duct tape this time, so hopefully it cleans it up a little bit. So that's going to be my goal tomorrow, to get that done. But if I get that video up, it's going to be later next week.